Hello everyone and welcome back to another IronCAD video. Today we'll be going through another Inventor model. Looking at this model here, it's a very simple model using some extrude bases, some cylinder cuts, and then even being able to use a shell feature that we have, and then we'll be able to mirror over some of the parts as well. So we'll get started. So looking at this model, we'll be in millimeters. Make sure we double check that we're in millimeters. We will move to the shapes. We'll pull out an extrude block. We'll go to the front face and we'll bring this out to be 124 millimeters. The total height will be 122 millimeters. And looking at the thickness for this middle part, the middle part will have a thickness of, I believe, 8 millimeters. Yes, 8 millimeters. We'll go to blend. We'll blend the corners. Clear. We'll blend these corners here. These will have a radius of 35. Go to this radius here. Click OK. So this will give us the middle shape. Next, we'll go back to add another extrude base. One here in the middle. We'll bring this down to the bottom. We'll have this go to the right side. Bring this out here. Bring this out here. We'll just remove perspective view. And then what we'll do is we'll bring this out to the total thickness. This has a total thickness of 28. All right. We'll bring it out to the thickness of this side. So this has a total thickness of 64, but it has a thickness of 8 on each side. So this 64 being the middle. So this will have a total thickness of 80. I'm sorry, total width of 80. And the total height of this, so the total height at the bottom of the shell, so if we were to bring this back, at the bottom of the shell is 190, or it says 92, but the thickness, so this has a total of 100. So we'll bring this up to 100. Let's do it like this. 100. We'll go back to the blend. And we'll blend this section here. This has a total thickness of 13 on the outside. 13 here, 13 there, here, and here. So we'll add this, 13, click OK. So we now have this section here. So what we'll do now is we'll go to shell part, we'll click on this surface, and we'll choose the bottom surface as well. This is a thickness of 8 millimeters. Let's put 8 millimeters, click OK, which will give us this section here. Okay. Next, what we'll do is we'll add an extrude block down to this section. We'll make sure that it comes up to here, that it comes up to here as well. This has a total height of 17. So we'll bring this down to 17. And this has a total thickness, width. Let's do from here. Let's even it out so we can do from both sides. This is a total width of 56. So we'll make this 56. And it goes from this face to this face here. Next, what we'll do is we'll add the cut cylinders. So we'll go to the top view, add the cylinder to this end. This cylinder has total length or total diameter of 11. And this is 34 between the two. So from the middle section is 17. So from here, let's do from distance point. Let's do it from at a distance point from this middle point. It'll be 17. There we go. So we'll open the TriBall once again. We'll right click, drag to be linked to total of 34. There we go. What we can do now is we can select this part and these two holes. We'll open up the TriBall, go to the top view. We'll bring this to the middle. Yes, to the middle here. And we will mirror. We'll link it. There we are. Next, we'll go to blend and we'll blend these corners here. This corner has a radius of 3 and it's all the way around. So we'll choose this corner, this one, here, 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 and here. We'll click OK. Lastly, we'll add the top cylinder on this top face here. So let's go back to isometric view. We'll add the cylinder here. We'll bring this down to this face. We'll make it even as well from this section, just to give us a reference. Bring this down to this section here. Go back to the front face. So this has a total length of 40. So we'll move to be 40. However, if we open the TriBall, bring this to this top section, this has from this top face to this edge has a total distance of 3 millimeters. So this will move down. And then lastly, we'll cut the cut cylinder here, which is the total diameter of 20, which we can hold there. I'm sorry, this diameter of this cylinder is not 40, but it's 37. There we go. And here is the part. Go to the properties, click on it as 7800. Let's change this to grams. We'll have 1,225.6 grams. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.